Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Google Chrome on Kali Linux 2024.3. The default browser comes with Kali Linux is Firefox. Open Firefox. Then go to Google. Then search for Google Chrome. Then click on Google Chrome web browser. Then click on download Chrome. Then select the first one, that is 64bit.dep package, and click on accept and install. Yet it is going to download. See, download has been started, and see here its size is 107 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Then go to downloads directory, cd downloads ls. See, here we have the Google Chrome.debian package. We have to install this one. Sudo dpkg -i. Then give the Google Chrome Debian package. Give the tab to autofill and hit enter. Provide the password of this user. Hit enter. See, we have successfully installed Google Chrome. Now click on this show applications, then click on show apps, then you can search here Chrome. See, here we have the Google Chrome. Click on it. See the checkboxes here. Make Google Chrome as the default user and automatically send usage stats and cross reports to Google. I don't want both, so click on OK. Don't sign in. Got it. Let me maximize it. See, this is the Google Chrome web browser. The last step is, after installation, we have to remove the downloaded file. That is Google Chrome.dep package. See? So, in this video, we have seen how to install Google Chrome on Kali Linux 2024.3. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.